Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit your Google Sheet offline on smartphone. So, if you want to make your Google Sheet file available on offline, so you can edit it without having to connect to internet connection. I'm gonna show you how through this video, but first you need to make sure that you've already installed the Google Sheet app on your phone. So open the Google Sheets app and then click on the file that you want to make it available offline. Okay, here the file is already open, and then you just need to click the three dots icon at the top, and here you can choose you can see the option available offline. Just activate it by clicking the little circle here until it turns to blue, and then the file now available offline, so you can edit or change it without having to connect to an internet connection. So I think that's it for me. It's so easy. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave comments and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.